Hey guys, welcome back to Scott Speed Shop. Jet Scott here, as always. Or at least I try to be. And today, we're gonna work on old Jezebel. Everybody likes to see Jezebel. I like to see Jezebel. I think you do. I mean, mine, she's kind of an eyesore. But we're gonna work on fixing this here firewall rot right in here. And I could do this easy. I could just cut this crap out to, you know, here. Put a flat plate in there and it'd be done and easy and simple. But I think I want to challenge myself, actually. For some reason, I got this urge to challenge myself to make a really nice repair right there. Even though you'll never see the damn thing. But I kind of want to challenge myself. So here's what we got. A buddy of mine gave me some floorboards out of it. I gotta put that back. Gave me some floorboards out of a 70 Roadrunner. And we cut those up for the tunnel, for the dart. And so here's what we got left. We cut these ribs out because these ribs are pretty similar. We already decided that these ones are too big, and even these shorter ones are longer than what's on the firewall. But my idea, bear with me, my idea is cut this one out, right here, this one. And then we're gonna cut that off because this is rotted out and these are too big anyways. And then we are going to have this section with these two, and then we're going to cut this guy out, flip him around, put him right there, and if we want to we can use it. But we basically need 7 inches of metal lengthwise and 4 to 6 inches height-wise, and that's basically just going to replace from here to over in here and here to about here. So we can get rid of all that and replace it with some good strong factory metal. That's kind of what I'm going to do. So I'm going to plasma cut all this stuff up, and once it's all cut out, I will show you how I'm planning on assembling my puzzle, or if I give up and just put a flat plate in there, because you never know. So hope you guys will enjoy this one. Alright, so after a lot of plasma cutting and a lot of grinding and cleaning, I know you can't see much, but we got most of these gaps filled in. There's still a gap right there and kind of right in there. But we know we need a lot of flat space on this side of the firewall. So we got this extra little piece we're going to weld in right there. This is kind of how our patch is going to end up looking. It's extremely overkill to do all this, but you know what? I want to do it. I want to challenge myself and see if I can do it. If not, then this is just a nice learning experience. We'll throw it away and we'll get a flat piece and we'll just freaking cover it like that. So I'm actually going to go one step further in the ridiculousness process, and I'm going to TIG weld this thing together just because I want to. So I'm going to TIG weld this up, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. It's going to be too much of a pain in the butt to set up the TIG welder and the camera all at once, or maybe I'll try and set up the camera. I don't know. I'm by myself as usual, so it's kind of hard doing the camera thing and all the hoopla. So wish me luck. So I figured I'd set the camera out here, and depending on how late it got and everything, I'll be eyeballing my steel days. Well, it's gotten a lot colder, and I had meant to have this thing doing like a time lapse, basically show you how long it took, but buddy Dave showed up and him and I had to bullshit, but just wanted to show you something. It's done. Oh yeah, you guys watched me weld this baby, and I wish I had some paint on it or something, but basically she's gonna sit right there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect actually. We're gonna lose this hole, but that's fine. Yeah, we're gonna take this brake line and move it so we can plasma cut out that section. And I think this section right here, we're gonna try and slip it up inside there. So it's gonna be just like so. You will never be able to tell. Dave told me I should grind down my welds, so I did. Got them down as low as I could. But it turned out pretty good just for a small patch. It took a good part of the day to do. But yeah, you know, it's amazing. It started out as a bunch of different pieces of floor pan. You know, all these little chunks here. These were originally all different separate sections of floor, and now it's one good old patch for Jezebel. There it is. Man, oh man, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I planned on welding this in, but by the looks of the weather, if you can just bear with me for a minute, it's really cold out. I mean, really cold. I think we're in the 50s right now. I mean, just look at that. We got, Mother Nature is not happy with us. So, I think I'm gonna probably call it a night, and I think I'm gonna call this a video. But before I call it a video, I want to show you this. So, normally I've been without my desk for the past 2 days, so kind of bugging me, but this is what I did to my desk. Since I make resin shift knobs, I said screw it, and I got tired of my desk and the shitty texture it had on it, because it's just a cheap little desk from Walmart. You know, it's not even a desk, it's a table. And I got tired of the cheap texture, so I said screw it, and I grabbed a bunch of my resin, and it's dry. But I'm gonna let it sit overnight one more time. But that actually looks really good on camera. I'm looking through the viewfinder on this GoPro, and that looks pretty daggone wicked. Oh man, that was cool. I was gonna film doing that, but I didn't think it would work. I figured it would leak everywhere and it would just turn out like crap, but it turned out actually pretty damn good. I'm pretty happy about that. Except for when I'm at my desk, I drop my paint and do other things, so this finish probably won't stay this nice. So, video record, how nice that looked on this day. October, I think today is October 10th. Is it really October? Hang on. My God, is it really October already? My God, it's October. Oh God, this year's flying by so damn fast. But that's done, guys. And I was hoping to get this done, welded in, get that firewall patched in, but yeah, I'm not laying out there in that cold. I mean, it's really cold out. And I need to get prepared because tomorrow is Friday, and then Saturday we're hopefully going to pick up that new baby Hemi that we're going to be building and restoring on the channel. Damn you, chair. I was leaning on this trying to look cool, and now I can't look cool because you fell. And you're making me ramble. Stop it. But I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of TIG welding and all that fun stuff. You know, this TIG welder right here, not endorsed by Eastwood by any means, but this is a great little machine if you want to learn how to TIG weld. It's 110, 220 as well. We weld with 220. And this is just really a great TIG welder to learn on. And 200 amp capacity, so it can weld some pretty good sized shit. So, did really good. So, you know, there you go. You can inspect my welds. I ground them down a little bit. I don't want to get them too thin. But we got great penetration all the way around. There she is, our patch for our firewall. It's got more ribs in it than the factory did, so it's real strong, real sturdy. Pretty daggone straight. Kept her pretty straight with the vice grips, holding it down. Had to do a little body working with the old hammer, but we got her. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like button if you found any kind of entertainment in here. Drop me a comment below, because more than likely I will reply to you. Actually, might take a little bit to reply to you with everything going on this weekend, but I will most likely reply to you. And please give the video a share. Share it on Facebook or wherever. Help get the awareness out. Grow our community so we can get more badass, cool people on this channel. Even though I'm pretty happy with it at 8,000 subscribers, which, by the way, is a huge, awesome number. You guys kick ass. This channel is all for you guys, and I appreciate everything you do for me. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Jet Scott signing off. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.